Hi, welcome to the Tampa Bay Computer Society in Clearwater, Florida. Random Acts of Kindness Day is celebrated worldwide on February the 14th, Valentine's Day. Here at the Tampa Bay Computer Society, we will celebrate this Saturday, February the 11th. We celebrate the day by having an open house at our offices and by fixing computers for the public for free. Our crew of techs will be hard at work here in our clinic while our members, their neighbors, and our friends take in some free seminars in our main hall. Anyone is welcome to come sit in on our classes and partake of our free food and refreshments. So please, come on out and join us this Saturday at the Tampa Bay Computer Society from 9 a.m. in the morning till 2 p.m. in the afternoon. Thank you.